Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where we craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I share a recipe for cleansing and protecting room spray. This is the spray that I use to reset the energy in my sacred space and as a way to add protective energy in my home. Let's do some magical crafting. The first thing I'm adding to my spray bottle is pink Himalayan salt. Any salt can be used in this spray for its potent protective and purifying properties, creating protective barriers against negative influences and unwanted energies. The unique mineral composition and vibrant pink hue of Himalayan pink salt makes it ideal to dispel negativity and promote harmony. It's also commonly added to bath rituals for purification and to enhance self-love and emotional healing. Next, I'm adding hyssop. A member of the mint family, hyssop is the most widely used herb in magic for purification. It's used for breaking curses, removing bad luck, and clearing negative energy. It can be used for aura cleansing and to consecrate magical tools. And since ancient times, hyssop has been used to purify sacred space and for sacrificial and purification rites. It's mentioned in the Bible several times for these uses. Next, I'm adding dried sage leaves. This is the common sage that's used for cooking. You can likely find sage in your grocery store spice aisle or purchase fresh sage in the produce section and dry it yourself. Never add fresh herbs into an oil or liquid, as it will break down and mold. Sage is associated with wisdom and knowledge and is often used to cleanse a space. Sage is considered to be a sacred plant by many cultures and is used for spiritual healing and to remove negative energy from a person or space. That's all of the dry ingredients. Before I add the liquid ingredients, a quick word from this video's sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art live stream, my crafting live stream, and my monthly Plan With Me live stream so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month, I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron, and a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. To add a bit more of the protective properties of sage, I'm adding some sage essential oil. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this room spray. It explains the magical correspondences of each of the ingredients in the bottle. If you'd like to download a printable PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. Next, I'm adding some rosemary essential oil. This will be the main scent of the room spray. Rosemary is useful for ritual cleansing, blessing, and purification. It's used in magic to enhance memory and for remembrance. Use rosemary in spells for success in school and to retain your youth. Dried rosemary sprigs are great to burn as incense during meditation or while doing dream work to remember past lives. Now I'm adding a crystal to my bottle. This is black tourmaline. Black tourmaline has powerful grounding and protective properties. It's used to cleanse and purify the aura as well as to provide protection against negative energy. Now that all of the herbal and crystal ingredients have been added, it's time to fill the bottle. I'm adding witch hazel first. Witch hazel has powerful astringent properties and is often used for purification and protection, with its cleansing energy helping to banish negativity and unwanted influences from spaces and from individuals. Then I'm filling the rest of the bottle with moon water. I used water I collected on an eclipse. Adding moon water is a way to add lunar energy into your room spray. You can add water charged under a waning moon for banishing, or simply use distilled water instead if you prefer. This room spray can be used in various magical practices. Consider using the spray in a purification ritual to cleanse and purify each room of your home. Start at the front door and move clockwise through each room, spritzing the spray into the air and visualizing negative energies being expelled and replaced with positive, protective energy. You can create a protective barrier by spraying the mixture around doorways and windows to prevent negative energies or entities from entering your home, allowing only positive, harmonious energies to pass through. Or simply use this spray before meditation or performing any spell work. Spray the area where you'll be working to create a sacred and protected space.